Today, we're diving into the fundamentals of portfolio theory and the capital asset pricing model, or CAPM, using Python. Whether you're a finance student, a budding analyst, or just curious about financial models, this video will provide a clear and practical understanding. Let's get started. Portfolio theory is all about balancing risk against returns. Developed by Harry Markowitz in the 1950s, it's a crucial concept in financial management and investing. The main idea? Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By diversifying your investments across different assets, you can reduce risk and optimize returns. Let's see how we can use Python to analyze a portfolio's performance. We'll start by importing the necessary libraries like pandas for data manipulation and matplotlib for plotting our results. Now let's talk about the capital asset pricing model, or CAPM. CAPM helps in determining the expected return of an asset based on its risk compared to the market. The formula is, here, beta measures an asset's volatility compared to the market. Using Python, we can calculate beta by comparing the stock's returns to the market returns. Here's how you can do it. Let's put theory into practice. We will now create a simple Python script to evaluate a portfolio using both portfolio theory and CAPM. We'll start by fetching stock data using Pandas data reader, analyze the returns, and then apply CAPM to calculate expected returns. Today, we've covered the basics of portfolio theory and CAPM using Python. Remember, the power of Python lies in its libraries and community. Experiment with different scenarios and data sets to truly grasp these concepts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more tutorials like this. Share your questions or experiences with portfolio theory and CAPM in the comments below. Happy coding!